What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am starting this video very late, but I wanted to let you guys know that today is going to be a different video. My mom's going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to make her candles. If you guys don't know, my mom made candles, so we're going to be showing you a tutorial, and I'm very excited about this. So I may or may not be talking a lot in this video, but yeah, so let's get started with the video. I love you guys, and subscribe.
Don't tell me how to act.
Oh, okay. Okay, so my mom's making candles, and what kind of candles are you making? Okay.
Caramel popcorn. Scented. All natural soy candles.
And right now she is just doing what, the icing?
Faux icing for the top of the candle. So let me just explain. So already over here in the jars, I have wax in the jars, and I've made it a little more than halfway up. And so what I'm going to do is make like a frosting on top, and then I'm going to put my caramel popcorn on top. So it'll be a fun, cute candle.
Sounds like fun.
So if you look at this, it looks kind of like a frosting already. I've poured the wax in here. I've put the fragrance in there. So it smells like caramel popcorn.
Oh, it smells good.
And so I'm just keep stirring and stirring until it gets to the consistency that I want. It needs to be a little bit. Okay. Pause.
Okay, guys, that is the end of the video of my mom making candles. I know this video was really short. I know the past couple videos I have uploaded have been very short, but I promise there will be longer videos in the next coming week. This weekend I am vlogging. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm uploading tomorrow, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel.
Yes.
I love you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Peace.
Bye.